So you want to connect a subdomain to an AWeber landing page, but you're not sure how to set it up properly? Stick around, because I'm going to show you exactly how to do it quickly and without unnecessary confusion. But before we start, there's something important you need to know about AWeber's landing page system that might change how you approach this. Let's get into it. First, log into your AWeber account and head over to the landing pages section. If you've already created a landing page, great. Otherwise, set one up first. Next, click on Publish and look for the option to connect a custom domain. AWeber gives you a free domain option, but if you want to use your own subdomain, which looks more professional, you'll need to link it manually. Next, go to your domain provider. This could be GoDaddy, Namecheap, Cloudflare, or wherever your domain is registered. You need to create a name record that points your subdomain to AWeber's landing page hosting. This typically means setting up something like landing, yourdomain.com, and pointing it to host, awber.com. The key thing to watch out for is DNS propagation. Sometimes it takes a few minutes, but other times it can take up to 24 hours for your subdomain to start working. If it doesn't connect right away, don't panic, just wait and check back later. Another thing, AWeber's landing page builder is fairly simple, but it lacks some advanced customization features you might need, especially if you're running paid traffic. For example, the design options are limited, and you don't have full control over mobile responsiveness. If branding and flexibility are important to you, you might find AWeber a little restrictive. Now, before you go through all this setup, here's the real question. Is AWeber even the best landing page builder for your needs? If you're just looking for basic opt-in pages, it works. But if you want something more optimized for conversions with better integrations, automation, and full design control, there are better alternatives. That's why I've added a link below where you can get an exclusive extended free trial of a more powerful landing page builder. Plus, I've included a few alternatives that offer better customization, faster loading speeds, and more marketing automation tools, all with free trials so you can test them risk-free. Click the link in the description to get access to the best deals, and if you found this helpful, drop a comment below. See you in the next one.